So I just got a new computer that I plan on streaming on, but there's something that really bothers me. We're gonna need to take the side panel off just so we can see what the issue is. I'm really loving this clean build, but I really don't like seeing all of the fan information on the back of the fan, so let's fix that. After measuring it, it was about 50 millimeters. It's all done, so let's take these off the build plate and check them out. Alright, now all we have to do is install these. Looking pretty good. And turn our back on. And just like that, this thing turned out absolutely amazing. I'm really excited to start streaming again, so definitely check out the link in my bio.